When most people think of carbide burrs, they imagine industrial workshops, heavy machinery, and the precise shaping of metal parts. But these USA-made carbide burrs are far more versatile and a whole lot crazier than you might expect. Today, we're diving into 10 wild, unexpected, and just plain cool things you can do with these tiny power tools. Whether you're a metal worker, a wood sculptor, a DIY car enthusiast, or just someone who loves to tinker, you're about to discover a world of creative possibilities. Let's start with something that blurs the lines between art and engineering: engraving intricate designs into metal surfaces. With the fine control and wide range of shapes, think cylindrical for straight lines, ball nose for smooth curves, and tree-shaped for tight corners, you can transform plain steel or aluminum sheets into detailed works of art. Imagine personalizing your own set of tools, creating custom jewelry, or even etching your favorite quote onto a pocket knife. With carbide burrs, precision is on your side, so your imagination is the only limit. Next up, wood carving. Forget the chisel and mallet. Carbide burrs allow you to draw directly onto wood, sculpting out lifelike animals, abstract patterns, or even entire landscapes. The sharp edges of a flame-shaped burr can carve out feathers or fur with surprising realism, while a round-nosed burr is perfect for smoothing contours and adding dimension. Want to make a unique walking stick, a decorative box, or a custom guitar body? These burrs make it possible. But why stop at wood and metal? Ceramic artists are getting in on the action too. Carbide burrs can cut, shape, and texture fired clay or porcelain with impressive speed and control. Create intricate relief patterns, add delicate textures, or even modify pottery after it's been glazed and fired. It's the secret weapon for artists who want to push their ceramics into new, unexpected directions. For the car enthusiasts out there, carbide burrs can modify engine components, port cylinder heads, or smooth welds on custom builds. Their heat resistance and durability mean you can work on tough alloys without wearing out your tools. Whether you're chasing performance gains or just want your engine bay to look as good as it runs, these burrs have your back. Jewelry makers, rejoice! Carbide burrs can add fine filigree, sculpted edges, and custom textures to precious metals. Turn a plain silver band into a one-of-a-kind statement piece, or engrave initials and patterns on pendants and rings. The precision means you can work on even the tiniest details without fear of slipping. Did you know you can use carbide burrs for glass engraving too? With proper technique and a steady hand, you can etch names, patterns, or even miniature scenes onto glassware, windows, or mirrors, creating personalized gifts and stunning home decor. For the home improvement crowd, carbide burrs excel at removing rust, smoothing welds, or enlarging holes in metal hardware. They make quick work of stubborn bolts or hinges and can even help restore old tools to their former glory. Hobbyists and cosplayers can use carbide burrs to modify plastic and resin, perfect for creating custom armor, props, or intricate mask details. The ability to shape, carve, and smooth a variety of materials means your next costume will stand out from the crowd. If you're into model building, think trains, planes, or scale cars, these burrs can add weathering, drill out vents, or create tiny rivet details for ultimate realism. And finally, for the truly adventurous, carbide burrs can even be used to create custom stamps and printing blocks. Carve your own designs into metal or wood, ink them up, and print unique patterns onto paper, fabric, or leather. From practical repairs to jaw-dropping artistry, USA-made carbide burrs are the secret weapon every maker should have in their toolbox. Which project will you try first? If you've got a crazy idea, share it and inspire others, because with the right tool in your hand, there's no limit to what you can create. Visit our website to get 10% off your next purchase.